Dragon Flight 144 Scottsdale, clearance clear 20 Alpha Foxtrot Airport. We have Hotel 6 departure, Albuquerque transition, direct. Maintain 5,000. Expect for level 350, 3 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 120.7, squawk 4360.
Scottsdale ground contact 144 and Ross with my rating.
And was that Paragon Flight 144 with the mic?
We'll get Mike. Paragon Flight 144 with my rating. Taxi Ross.
Paragon 144, roger, thank you. Runway 21, taxi Alpha.
21 the Alpha, Paragon Flight 144.
Scottsdale Airport information mic, time 1653 Zulu, wind, calm, sky conditions, ceiling 3,600 broken, 4,200 overcast, temperature 13, dew point 8, altimeter 2975, expect GPS Delta, visual approach, runway 21 in use, NOTAM, current in vicinity of the airport at the below 300 feet SDL, about 20 seconds to have mic.
Paragon Flight 144 and
Thank you, sir.
Turn 61 out, take a step, thanks, full start runway 21.
Full start runway 21 and 1 out.
Takeoff, good after golf, frequency change boost, Phoenix 120.7, have a good day.
Golf, Julie, after golf, thanks. 122.
Turn flight 144, runway 21, cleared for takeoff. So 349 report, departing citation in sight.
We got them in sight, 349.
So 349, make it to separation citation, caution await turbulence, runway 21, clear touch and go, and then make left close traffic.
We left it, touch and go, left close traffic, 349.
Turn flight 144, your right turn, contact me fast. Good day.
Hi, Officer Departure. Have a happy new year, Paragon Flight 144.
Thanks, you too.